Reposition the machine to a convenient operating location. Click on Mechanical Parameters. Next, select the Maintenance Position button located at the top right corner of the screen. Choose the Production 1 interface from the System menu. Subsequently, set the pressure of Material A and Material B to the range of 0.7 to 0.8 respectively. OK, begin adjusting the pressure of Material A. The top screw is used to regulate the return pressure, while the bottom screw regulates the feeding pressure. Adjust the return pressure to a value between 0.7 and 0.8 first. Carry out the identical operation on Material B. The upper screw regulates material return pressure, while the lower screw regulates feeding pressure. Prioritize adjusting the return pressure. Monitor the pressure value displayed on the touchscreen. After completing pressure adjustment, disassemble the Material A valve and Material B valve. Unscrew the 3 fastening screws, including 1 upper screw and 2 lower screws. After loosening the 2 top fastening screws, lift the component upward and rotate the knobs to turns to prevent falling. The 2 lower fastening screws also need to be loosened. Subsequently, remove the Material B valve. Disassemble the Material A valve by performing the same operation. Next, we need to calibrate the mixing ratio of Material A and Material B. First, return to the System interface, select Next Page, and enter the Mixing Ratio Calibration menu. Here you can choose to calibrate Material A or Material B. First, select Material A Calibration. Position a container beneath the discharge port to collect extruded material, then activate the calibration function. The feed pressure should be set to the same value as the return pressure. Then press Start Calibration. If the dispensing pressure and return pressure don't match while glue is flowing out, you'll need to make adjustments. Adjust the bottom screw which controls the feed pressure. For example, the current return pressure reading is 0.83. Press Start Calibration, and the feed pressure should stay at 0.83 during dispensing. Adjust until the feed pressure value matches the return pressure value. Place the cup on the electronic scale, then tare it. Once 3 zeros show on the screen, take the cup away. Then press Start Calibration to dispense glue once. Place it back on the electronic scale and check the actual weight reading. The actual weight needs to match the value shown on the system, with a tolerance of 0.2 grams. For example, the reading shows an excess of 0.25 grams. We need to make adjustments for this overage. Select previous page. Select material. We can adjust the density parameter of material A or B. If the measured weight is too high, increase the material density value. Save the parameters. Choose the next page. Calibration check. After tarring, the screen shows 000, then take the cup off. Then put it on top. 25.1. 0.1 more. This is no problem. Next, we calibrate material B. Switch the setting to B on this calibration page. Grab another cup and put it under the B material dispensing outlet to catch the glue. Open according to the standard. Set this pressure to 0.8 as well, same as the return pressure. Place the cup on it and peel it. Then open according to the calibration. The feed and fertilizer have not changed at all. There's no change to either the feed pressure or return pressure, which means the pressure is very stable. Okay, then put it on again. The weight is the same. A difference of within 0.2 grams is acceptable. Once we finish calibrating material A and B, wipe the dispensing outlets clean. Then install the A and B material valves. While installing, apply a little Vaseline to the sealing rings of the A and B valves. Do not apply it on the outlet position. Install the A valve and B valve. Then tighten the top and bottom screws securely. Then the machine returns to 0. Okay, choose the previous page. Choose to production 1. Then reset. Alright, that's the whole calibration and verification process for adjusting the mixing ratio.